Hello Food for Thoughties, it's Shannon here, back with another one of those fun videos. This time I'll be talking about a cool recipe called Hobo Dinner. This meal was sent out to the houses to be prepared and enjoyed by those who live there. Let's dive in. What is Hobo Dinner? This meal contains all the hearty food sources you would see on a dinner plate, but with a camping twist. It was designed by campers to have a simple and delicious meal they can heat over fire and use very little supplies. All that's required is a knife, cutting board, and aluminum foil. The food making up the dinner includes a source of meat, fruit or vegetables, olive oil, and seasoning. I've adapted this recipe for you to make at home, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, and then start gathering your supplies and ingredients. Lay out one sheet of aluminum foil per person. If you're making the meal by yourself, you will want one sheet of aluminum foil. If you're making the meal with 3 other people, you will want 4 sheets of aluminum foil, 1 for you and 3 for those you're cooking with. Place 1 meat patty on the foil first, followed by your cut up vegetables. I chose lean hamburger, potatoes, carrots, and onions for my recipe, but you can use whichever meat and fruits or vegetables you prefer. Next, drizzle 4 tablespoons of olive oil on each packet, making sure you evenly distribute it. Lastly, sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of seasoning, fold each packet up so it is completely sealed, and bake for 30 minutes in your preheated oven. You will want your Hobo Dinner to be brown and crispy. The Hobo Dinner is easy, delicious, and quick to make. It can be prepared with as many people as desired. It's a great cooking activity to do with friends, family, or guardians while camping or even at home. It can be especially nostalgic if you love to go camping. It's also affordable at less than $10 per person. Most importantly, it's a healthy and nutritionally balanced meal representing the 3 macronutrients or major energy sources for our bodies, which are protein, carbohydrates, and fat. The meat serves as the protein and fat sources, and the potatoes, onions, and carrots as the carbohydrate sources. You can also substitute or replace ingredients as you please.
Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make Hobo Pockets. What, pray tell, is a Hobo Pocket? Well, this is a great meal that you can make in any campground where you can build a campfire. It's an excellent meal for a group.
We were camping with our friends Scott and Jessica, and they suggested that we cook these campfire pockets. So they're really the ones that taught us how to do it. Basically, you just cut up some potatoes. I do like to cut my potatoes smaller because I think that helps them cook a little faster. Some onion. I'm going to put a good amount of onion in it because I really liked the sort of caramelized onions. A lot of people put peas and carrots in theirs. I don't like it in mine, but you like it in yours. So I put peas and carrots in yours. I put garlic in mine. And I also put bacon in mine. I just cut the bacon up into little strips with some kitchen scissors. And I use the really thick cut bacon.
The good stuff.
The good stuff, that's right. I usually get the hardwood smoked. And then of course we put the ground beef in.
Now my buddy Scott believes that it's best if every person makes their own individual Hobo Pocket. There's something that's really kind of fun about the process.
No peas, no carrots.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yep.
Carnivore.
And it becomes this little science experiment because you will inevitably be curious how your own Hobo Pocket is going to turn out. You just get to make it the way you like.
Since I'm doing camera, Chrissy's making my little pocket.
Yeah, so we're breaking the rule of having to make your own pocket. Just because I love you so much. Okay. So, you have a little mix, onions, your garlic is in there. I just get the ground beef that's 85% lean, 15% fat.
Okay.
Basically what you would usually get to make a good juicy hamburger. And I'm just gonna divide it. Now, I got a pound for the two of us, and honestly that's probably a little much for me.
We'll probably have leftovers.
We'll have some leftovers.
I'll fry an egg and have it for breakfast in the morning.
So now I'm just gonna put some olive oil in here. Just gonna be generous about it. And we'll do this one. Salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna put a couple of pats of butter.
Butter. Now you're talking. When in doubt, add butter.
Wrap them up.
Now I'm gonna wrap them up. Basically, you just wrap everything up in a couple of layers of tin foil, aluminum foil, whatever you like to call it. Alright. So, now they are ready for the fire.
Sure. Go ahead.
And stick it down in the kind of embers of your campfire, and then take a shovel and cover it up with more embers and just let it cook for like 30 or 40 minutes. You know, it's really tasty. It's a good little campfire meal. It doesn't really get a lot of things dirty because basically you just chop up your vegetables on a plate and, you know, wrap them up in tin foil, so you don't really have pots that are dirty that you have to worry about washing or any of that sort of thing. So it's kind of nice. It's a water saver.
So that's Hobo Pockets. Great meal to make when you're camping. A lot of fun to prepare as a group. If you make Hobo Pockets, be sure and post and let us know how they turn out. Until next time, thanks for tuning in, guys.
As you saw in the video, they added peas and bacon to their Hobo Dinner. I featured my ideal Hobo Dinner selections here: salmon, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and carrots. Similar to the recipe, but I tailored it to my liking. Now I want you to think about what foods you would include in your Hobo Dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. Go on and make your own Hobo Dinner. I'm confident you will enjoy it. As always, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments. Until next time.